do not understand. It has to be here somewhere. I was certain I put it with my books.
Are you sure you didn't just leave it at home or, like, misplace it? Or...
Impossible! A true Amazon never loses sight of her weapons. They're not mere toys to be misplaced.
Well, then where'd you put it?
Lasso of Truth is mine!
Is there anything better than being a vegan?
Nope. And these vegan smoothies are so good, I would give my left arm for a burger right now! My left arm!
Me too.
And then I told the agency I'd never model for any magazine that wasn't European. I'm not a natural blonde. These are extensions. Even my contacts are colored. I'm a fraud!
Hey, you really are the best-looking guy in school. That's a lie. You're the best-looking person in school, guy or girl. You're the best-looking guy in all of Metropolis. It's entirely possible you're the best-looking guy in the whole tri-state area, Hal Jordan.
And that one part in Just Before Dusk 2, Just Before Dawn, when Caitlin said to Aiden that her life would be better if she never met Michael was cool. Michael's storyline is tried and lacks real emotion, and the actor who plays him is terrible! Michael, I didn't mean it! Michael, no! Is this you taken? So, have you read the latest issue of Star Battle Comics? It's true, all right? It's all true, I'll admit it! I'm Aqualad! Well, I guess my secret is out. Now you know the whole truth. The burden I've been carrying inside all these many years. I'm Aqualad, all right? Yes, sirree. Superhero extraordinaire.
Giganta smash because Giganta is overcompensating for deep insecurity, rooted in a quest for perfectionism and an overpowering fear of not being good enough and...
Aw, poor thing. She's not a monster. She's just misunderstood.
Oh! I am a monster!
She's just lashing out because of the pain she feels.
I am a monster! No, really,
Any luck? Not yet, but we must find it. The lasso's unlimited length could be a tactical nightmare in the wrong hands.
Alrighty, Lasso! Gotta bungee my way to freedom! Wait, is it working? It's working! It's not working! Nailed it!
You seem to be in a bit of a bind.
You shall be punished severely for your misdeeds.
Hold on. So, Harley Quinn, let's have a little conversation, shall we?